Hello student, today we discuss the hyperfine splitting in ESR spectroscopy. Before to start hyperfine splitting, we discuss the choice of solvent and the standard solution which are used in the ESR spectroscopy. In ESR spectroscopy, generally water, alcohol and other high dielectric constant solvents are not used, but in some cases they are used because they are strongly absorb the microwave power and therefore high dielectric constant solvent are not used in the ESR spectroscopy. Then standard solution. Generally DPPH is used in the ESR spectroscopy as a standard solution. What is the role of standard solution? The role of standard solution is to calculate the number of electrons in an unknown sample, and this sample is compared with the standard sample having the known number of the unpaired electrons. Now we start the hyperfine splitting. Hyperfine splitting means the ESR spectrum which gives hyperfine splitting, and it is caused by the interaction between the spinning electrons and the adjacent spinning electron. What is hyperfine splitting? In ESR spectrum, the interaction between spinning electrons and the adjacent spinning magnetic nuclei, and the result of resulting line is generated is called as the hyperfine splitting. If single electron interacts magnetically with 10 equivalent nuclei, the electron signal is split up into the 2Ni plus 1 multiplet. Means it gives that number of lines 2Ni plus 1. N means the number of equivalent electron and I means the spin of that nuclei. For example, hydrogen atom. We consider here one example, hydrogen atom. This hydrogen having one proton and the one electron, and the I for that nuclei is the half. Means I for that proton or the nuclei is the half, and in absence of magnetic field, the single electron of spin is equal to S is equal to plus minus half, and it is the doubly degenerate spin energy state in the absence of magnetic field. जेव्हा मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड तिथे आपण अप्लाय करत नाही, म्हणजे बी इज इक्वल टू 0. जेव्हा बी इज इक्वल टू 0 असेल तेव्हा तो काय असेल तर डबली डिजेनरेट असेल, म्हणजे तिथे स्प्लिटिंग नसणार. इट गिव्ह द ओनली सिंगल लाईन. हियर इन दॅट diagram, here no field means the magnetic field is 0. When we applied magnetic field on that on that atom, then these spin are splitted into two lines. That is, they are degenerated. They remove the degeneracy of that atom. That is, Ms is equal to plus half, which is goes to the upward direction, and Ms is equal to minus half, which goes towards the downward direction in the presence of the external field or the magnetic field. Then this Ms, that is external field or the spin state, interacts with the nuclei. Nuclei बरोबर ते काय होणार? Interact होणार, and it splitted into the 4 lines. That is, plus half is splitted into 2 lines, minus half and the plus half. Also, Ms is equal to minus half is also splitted into 2 lines. That is, minus half and the plus half. That is, it gives the 4 lines in presence of the मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. मग आता इथे लाईन्स कसं, स्पेक्ट्रा कसं भेटणार आपल्याला, तर बघा, फर्स्ट लाईन इज मायनस हाफ टू मायनस हाफ, अँड सेकंड लाईन इज फ्रॉम दी प्लस हाफ टू दी प्लस हाफ. मीन्स हायड्रोजन ॲटम गिव्स 2 lines in the ESR spectrum or the ESR spectroscopy. Means here we get the doublet. We get here doublet. How doublet? From that formula 2Ni plus 1. N means 1. Hydrogen atom having N is 1 and I is half. When we put this N is equal to 1 and I is equal to half in that formula 2Ni plus 1, we get 2 into 1 into half plus 1. These 2 get cancel and we get the 2 lines. See here, in that spectra, we get the 2 lines. We get 2 lines and the spectra is like that. Derivative signal and the magnetic field, and we get these 2 lines. This is the all about the hyperfine splitting. Okay. The selection rule in a ESR spectrum are the delta Mi is equal to 0 and delta Ms is equal to plus minus 1. We see the more example for the hyperfine structure in ESR spectra. हायड्रोजन ॲटमचं तर आपण बघितलं ते. तर आपल्याला हायपरफाईन लाईन कशा मिळतात? मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड विथ न्यूक्लियर स्पिन अँड द इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन. Nuclear spin means I, electron spin means S. These nuclear spin and electron spin interacts with each other and we get the hyperfine lines and then we get the ESR spectrum. Hyperfine structure occurs as a result of the magnetic interaction between electronic spin and the nuclear spin, and the selection rule for hyperfine transition is the delta Ms is equal to plus minus 1 and delta Mi is equal to 0. Okay. We discuss about the hydrogen atom, hyperfine structure or the hyperfine spectra of the hydrogen atom. Now we discuss the hyperfine structure of the methyl radical, that is CH3. This methyl radical having the unpaired electron with S is equal to half and the 3 equivalent proton. Methyl radical मध्ये काय तर 3 proton आहे. These are the equivalent to each other and therefore N is equal to 3 and I काय असेल तर प्रोटॉनचा हाफ, स्पिन काय असेल हायड्रोजनची हाफ आणि N किती आहे तर 3. म्हणून आता लाईन किती येणार इथे? हाऊ वी कॅल्क्युलेट द लाईन्स, टोटल लाईन्स 2Ni plus 1. That formula we used to calculate the lines which are present in the ESR spectroscopy. 2Ni plus N is 3 and I is half. That is 2 into 3 into half plus 1. We get the 4 lines in the ESR spectra. Means methyl radical gives 4 lines in the ESR spectroscopy. For the unpaired electron, spin is S is half. That is Ms is equal to plus minus half. Then we get such a hyperfine structure. Energy in absence of magnetic field means B is equal to 0. Ms is equal to plus minus half, means the both energy levels are the degenerated. After application of the magnetic field, this degeneracy are removed and the this Ms is equal to plus minus half splitted into the 2 energy levels, that is plus half and the minus half. Also these energy states when interact with the nuclei in presence of the magnetic field, we get the Mi means Mi plus half gives minus 3 by 2, minus half plus 3 by 2 and plus half and plus 3 by 2, and also Ms is equal to minus half gives again plus 3 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Means both gives the 4 lines. Then first pick from minus 3 by 2 to minus 3 by 2 to then minus half to minus half, plus half to plus half and 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2 to. Means in ESR spectrum, methyl radical gives the 4 peaks, that is 4 lines, that is we have calculated from formula 2Ni plus 1. This is the spectra for the ESR spectrum for the methyl radical, CH3 radical. Okay. Then the next example of the hyperfine structure is the SO3 to NO minus anion. The unpaired electron interacts with nitrogen nucleus with I is equal to 1. Here spin for nitrogen is the 1. Active electron कोणता इथे, active radical कोणता आहे तर ॲटम कोणता आहे तर नायट्रोजन आणि त्याच्यासाठी स्पिन किती आहे 1 आणि ms इज इक्वल टू प्लस मायनस हाफ अँड mi इज इक्वल टू प्लस 1 0 अँड मायनस 1. आता तुम्ही जर बघितलं इथं mi इज इक्वल टू प्लस 1 0 मायनस 1 का आला आणि इथे पण mi इज इक्वल टू प्लस 3/2 प्लस हाफ देन -3/2 -हाफ कसं येणार तर बाय दी सिलेक्शन रूल ms इज इक्वल टू प्लस मायनस डेल्टा ms इज इक्वल टू प्लस -1 आणि डेल्टा mi इज इक्वल टू 0. तर त्या रूलनुसार इथे -3/2 टू -हाफ प्लस हाफ अँड प्लस 3/2 टू -3/2 टू तिथे स्प्लिटिंग आपल्याला दाखवते ना. म्हणजे हाफ किती वेळेस तुम्हाला इथे 3 इक्वलंट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे, हाफ किती वेळेस तुम्हाला 3 टाइम्स तुम्हाला तिथे त्याची समेशन करायची, तर किती येणार आपला 3/2. तसंच प्लस हा 3/2 आला म्हणजेच कसं घ्यायचा परत तिकडे -3/2. सेम इयर इथे आय काय आहे तर 1 म्हणजेच mi काय येणार +1 टू -1. ओके. The unpaired electron interacts with nitrogen nucleus with I is equal to 1 and then we put the value of I and N in that formula 2ni plus 1. N काय तर इथे 1, नायट्रोजन एकच ऍटम आहे त्याच्यामुळे N काय असणार इथे 1 आणि I काय इथे 1. तर 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1 means it gives the 3 lines in the ESR spectrum. Here spin is plus minus half before application of magnetic field, that is 0 level. At the 0 magnetic field, this state is the degenerated, means ms is equal to plus minus half. After application of the magnetic field, this degeneracy is removed and it gives the, or it splitted into 2 lines, that is ms is equal to plus half and ms is equal to minus half. After that these 2 sublevels, 2 energy sublevels are interact with the nuclei and it gives the 3 lines, that is +1 to 3 -1, and it gives the 3 lines 1, 2 and 3, that is -1 to -1, 0 to 0 and +1 to 3 +1, and this ESR spectrum is occurred for the SO3 to NO- ion. Now we discuss the hyperfine lines for the naphthalene negative ions. In exam, they asked in university or external examination, in question paper they asked the question for the 2 marks, that is calculate the hyperfine lines for the naphthalene negative ion or the SO3 to NO- ion. Then you are used this formula 2ni plus 1 and calculate the put the value of n and the I in that formula and calculate the total number of hyperfine lines which acquired in that molecule. Here naphthalene negative ion. In naphthalene जर तुम्ही त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर जर बघितलं तर देअर आर 2 सेट्स ऑफ प्रोटॉन A and B. याचं बघितलं तुम्ही, हे 2 हायड्रोजन आणि इकडच्या दुसऱ्या बेंझिन रिंगचे 2 हायड्रोजन, याचं एन्व्हायरमेंट सेम आहे आणि ह्या बेंझिन रिंगचे हे 2 हायड्रोजन आणि ह्या बेंझिन रिंगचे हे अपवर्ड अँड डाऊनवर्ड हायड्रोजन, याचं एन्व्हायरमेंट सेम आहे. तर 4 प्रोटॉनचं एन्व्हायरमेंट सेम आहे आणि दुसऱ्या 4 प्रोटॉनचं एन्व्हायरमेंट सेम असल्यामुळे दे गिव्ह द सेम लाइन्स ऑफ द सेम इंटेन्सिटी and therefore they are from the one set and therefore here 2 sets of the proton, that is A and B, and therefore we use 2ni plus formula 2 times, that is 2nai plus 1 into 2nbi plus 1. Then the n is 4 and I is 1. For the in both formulae we put the n value is 4 and I value is half for the proton. हायड्रोजन साठी I किती येतात हाफ आणि इथे टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्विव्हॅलंट प्रोटॉन किती येतात 4. मग इथे 2 into 4 into half plus 1 into 2 into 4 into half plus 1, that is 5 into 5, that is naphthalene negative ion gives the 25 hyperfine lines. Okay, clear that? Then we stop here, that is you study again more example from the university question papers. We stop here. In next lecture we discuss about the applications of the ESR spectroscopy. Thank you.